This is the Quick and Brite Total Household Cleaning Kit. It works great on your carpet for coffee or wine stains, food spills from kids, and even tough pet stains. Come right out.
Quick and Brite takes out stains in fabrics and clothing, but one of the most common things is a stain in your carpet. Say like a pet stain or food or beverages, or maybe you just got a little bit of chocolate spilled on there, or worse yet, this is the hot sauce and things that get on there all the time. Now, whether the stain is set in or not, it doesn't matter which one. Take some of the Quick and Brite full strength on a damp terry cloth towel. Terry cloth helps absorb the stain. Simply put it on there, work it back and forth 5 or 6 times in this direction and 5 or 6 times back and forth till you see that spot is gone. But here's the impressive thing. Then take a dry terry cloth towel and simply buff it back off. This is the towel that pulls out all that dirt and oil, and if you're working with the pet stain, it's in your cloth, not down the bottom of your carpet. And if you want to save even more money, take Super Shot, mix it down with water like the instructions tell you, put it in a carpet cleaning machine. Do your entire carpet, and remember, if you have pets, it's biodegradable and non-toxic.
In fact, Quick and Brite has been awarded the Safer Choice certification by the Environmental Protection Agency. There are no odors, no fumes, so it's safe to use in tight spaces.
Here we are with the toughest thing in the entire house, the shower. These fiberglass showers can be impossible to clean. Take it like right here, full strength, work it in a short circular motion like this. Now, if it's really bad with mineral deposits and things like that, hey, all you gotta do is let it sit on there about 15 minutes, come back, hit it one more time, and I'll tell you what, look at that. It really does look like a brand new shower. Now, on your showers for hard water, calcium, lime, and mineral deposits, first put it on full strength, or you can wet the shower down real good first. Now, if you have hard water like this on your outside windows or on car paint or car windshields, anything like that, put it on there, let it sit 10 or 15 minutes, come back, clean it off, and look at that. You know, a lot of people think it's the shower that's hardest to clean your house. Not me. Mine's the oven. People use rubber gloves, they use chemicals, they use these sprays, and we put our food in there and eat it. Here's what I do. Take some of the Quick and Brite full strength, put it right on the area you want to clean, just like right in here. But just in a matter of a few seconds, you can already see where it's cutting through there and taking that stuff off there that fast and that easy. The best way to clean your laundry is simply take one shot of Super Shot, put it right in with your laundry. This will remove all those stains you've never seen before or just missed. The other thing that's nice about Super Shot, when you're using it day to day, you do not get that bad smell that comes out of these front loaders. Now, always remember, for a bad set-in stain, the best thing you can do is wet the material down really good, just like that, which helps the cleaner penetrate through that stain, put it right on there like this, and you can see within just seconds it's already removed that whole stain just like that. Take it then, rub it together really good. If it's a set-in stain, you can let it sit overnight, or just take it like this, throw it in the washing machine, and you're done that fast.
Quick and Brite works great on everything, both inside and outside your house, like cars, RVs, cleaning a dirty grill, and your outside decking and windows, and much more.
Let me show you how Quick and Brite cuts through grease and oil. Now, it's not just on appliances like stainless steels or aluminums, but what happens when this gets on your kitchen cabinets, on your stove, anywhere else? Take Quick and Brite full strength, put a little bit on it just like right here, and just take it like right here, and I'm gonna wipe around the outer part. Now watch what happens when I leave the spot there in the middle, and I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna clean 4 small spots right out of the center of that, and watch what that grease and oil does. It flat does not budge. Now, if you want to save a lot of money, take a quarter shot of Super Shot, mix it to a quart of water, 25 cents. Spray this on your refrigerators, your kitchen cabinets, even on your floor, and look how that grease just completely cuts right through there. I take it like that, and you'll notice it just pushes away. So if you want shiny appliances, great looking marble, this is what you want, Quick and Brite.
You can use Quick and Brite to clean everything, both inside and outside your home. It really is all you need.